10 bikes, 10 years, and a marketing story dressed up as a celebration. BMW Motorrad says it's building just 10 units of a special edition R1300 GS Adventure to mark 10 years since its factory in Manaus, Brazil, opened its doors back in 2016. One motorcycle for every year of production. On paper, it sounds like a heartfelt tribute. In practice, it's a masterclass in manufactured scarcity. Let's start with the timing. This anniversary edition arrives right as the Manaus plant rolls out its 150,000th motorcycle. And, conveniently, that milestone bike is also an R1300 GS Adventure, this one in triple black. 2 round numbers, 1 press release. It's the kind of coincidence that practically writes its own headline for BMW's marketing team. So what do you actually get for being one of the lucky 10? A dedicated livery in dark green, light green, and yellow. An unmistakable nod to the Amazon rainforest and to Brazil itself. The paint job isn't shy either. It covers the tank, the side panels, the crash bars, the cylinder head guards, right through to the top case. There's a numbered plaque too, because nothing says exclusive collector's item quite like a little metal tag confirming you're the proud owner of, say, bike number 7 out of 10. Mechanically, nothing changes. You still get the same 1300cc boxer twin, the same 145 horsepower. What you do get bundled in is BMW's ASA automated shift assistant, the clutchless gearbox system, and an Akrapovic exhaust, both of which are already available, or soon will be, on regular production bikes. So the special here is really about paint and a plaque, not engineering. Now, the part of the story BMW isn't so eager to talk about, the price. As of this recording, BMW Motorrad Brazil hasn't announced how much this anniversary edition will cost, or, more importantly, how the 10 units will even be allocated. Will it be a raffle? A waiting list? Straight to BMW's best customers? Nobody's saying. And when a company stays quiet on both price and process for a limited run this small, it's worth asking whether the mystery itself is the marketing. There's also the geography to consider. All 10 motorcycles are staying in Brazil. Full stop. If you're a GS fan in Munich, Milan, or Manchester, this isn't a bike you'll ever be able to buy, import, or even really see up close. It exists purely for the Brazilian market, which makes sense, given why BMW is in Manaus in the first place. For everyone outside Brazil, this is a curiosity, not a purchase option. And that, more than the paint job, tells you exactly who this campaign was really built for.